How to merge PDF files into one in laptop, PC, computer. First, open any web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Next, go to your favorite search engine. I'm using Google, but again, any search engine will work. In the search bar, type Combine PDF and press Enter. You'll see several websites that allow you to merge PDF files online. The one I'm going to use is Combine PDF. Click on the website to open it. At the top of the page, you'll see that you can upload up to 20 PDF files at once, which is very useful. Now click on Upload Files. Your File Explorer will open. Locate the PDF files you want to merge. In my case, they are on my desktop. To select multiple files at once, hold down the Control key and click on each file, then press Open. You can also upload more files later if needed. Once uploaded, you'll see all your files displayed on the screen. Before combining them, make sure they are in the correct order. To rearrange them, hover your mouse over a file until the cursor changes, then click and drag it to the position you want. After arranging the files in the correct order, scroll down and click on Combine. The website will take a moment to process your files. Once finished, the merged PDF will automatically download to your computer. You can find it in your Downloads folder. Open the file, and you'll see that all your individual PDFs are now combined into one single document. And that's how easy it is to merge PDF files online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.